Hi everyone, our story today is called The Cat's Bell. A hungry little mouse peeked out of her hole. Her tummy rumbled. She could see a table loaded with good things to eat. The people in her house had finished dinner. Look at all the lovely leftovers, she squeaked. The other mice sniffed and sighed. They were hungry too. So much yummy food, said the little mouse's friend, and we can't have any. It's not fair. The hungry little mouse nodded. The food was there, but so was Max, the cat. He was looking at the mouse hole and swishing his tail back and forth. Her tummy rumbled again. I'm going to get supper, she said. Don't go, squeaked her friend. You could get hurt. We have to do something about the cat then, said the first little mouse. But what can we do? Asked her friend. The other mice were listening to them. We need to find a dog to chase Max away, one said. That's silly, said another. Where are we going to find a dog? Besides, what if the dog chases us too? We can't risk that. Let's just wait until he goes outside, said a timid mouse. But he could sneak back in, said an older mouse. That's the trouble. We never know when he's coming. Soon the mice were in the middle of a big conflict. One mouse after another shouted out ideas about what to do. Each mouse tried to shout louder than the others. The first little mouse couldn't stand the noise. She put her paws over her ears. Then the little mouse had an idea. Noise! That's the solution, she shouted, taking her paws from her ears. Max sneaks up on us because he's so quiet. If we hear him coming, we can run away safely. The other mice nodded. What we need to do, said the first mouse, is put a bell on the cat. All the mice jumped up and down in excitement. They twirled their tails and clapped their paws. What a wonderful idea! Then a wise old mouse spoke up. Yes, he said, it's a good idea, but let me ask you this. Who will bell the cat? The mice stopped clapping. They looked at each other. Who would take such a risk and put a bell on the cat? Not me, said one, and another, and another. You do it. No, you. They pushed and shouted at each other. None of the mice wanted to get close to the cat. Another argument was starting. Stop, cried the little mouse. There's no need to quarrel. We must all work together. The mice got quiet and shifted their feet. I know where there's a bell, said the timid mouse.
Jessica Turner, please come to the front office, thank you.
It's in the children's room. When Max goes outside, I'll get the bell, offered a strong mouse. I can find a ribbon, said the little mouse's friend. We'll string the bell on the ribbon, said 3 young mice, and we'll put it where the people will find it with a note that says for Max, said two grown-up mice. Early the next morning, all the mice were watching when people came into the kitchen for breakfast. Oh, look at the pretty ribbon with a bell, said the woman. It's for Max. She quickly tied it on Max. He looked very silly as he ran to hide, the bell jingling with every step. All the little mice were thrilled. They couldn't wait for the people to finish breakfast so the mice could have theirs. What a fun story. It looks like they figured out a way to solve their problem by working together. Okay, bye everyone.